Hello students of class 9, come back today with the chapter of solving of linear simultaneous equation by elimination method. Clear? Already you have got video. In that video I have taught you that how to solve the linear simultaneous equations by the method of comparison. And today I am going to solve the equations by the method of elimination. Elimination. So in linear simultaneous equations, you will see there will be two unknown variables. So elimination means either any of the variables will eliminate first. Clear? Then you will calculate the value of the other variable. Then we will put the value of that variable in the equation. Then you will get the first variable, which one was eliminated. Clear? Now I am starting from exercise 5.3. First easy one I am doing, sum number 3. X plus y equals to 48. This is my equation number 1. And another is given, x plus 4 equals to 5 by 2 into y plus 4. First, I will convert this given equation in terms of this. Same type I will convert. So, cross multiply, 2x plus 8 equals to 5y plus 20. Then unknown variables bring left hand side, and 20 minus 8 means 12. Now this is my equation number 2. This and this same type. Clear? Now from these two equations I will eliminate either, you can eliminate either x or y. Clear? Now see, there is plus and there is minus. So if I make the coefficient of y same by multiplying by some number with equation number 1, then after adding, y can be eliminated by adding, as this is plus, this is minus. So there is 5y. So I have to make it 5. So throughout the equation 1 I have to multiply by 5. Clear? So it is becoming 5x plus 5y equals to 240. Now this is 2x, I am writing again here, equals to 12. Now you have noticed that 5 plus 5y minus 5y. If I will add, then y related term will be eliminated. Adding 7x 252. Therefore x is, so this is elimination method. Method of elimination. Now 36. My x is coming 36. Now what I do? I put the value of x here in equation number 1, then I get y. Clear? So I have got x 36. Then you have to write, putting x equals to 36 in equation number 1. So x plus y, so x plus 36 equals to 48. Therefore x is coming 48 minus 36. You have to, after completion, you have to write down the equation values or solutions together are the solutions. So what I have done, what was the given equation? First equation was in normal form, no problem, and second equation I have converted to the normal form. Then I had seen that in front of y there is sign plus and minus. So by adding I have seen that y can be eliminated. Clear? So I have made the coefficient of y same in both the equations. Then after that I have added. Then first I have got y is eliminated. So first I have got the value of x. Then by putting that value of x in any one of the equations, I have got the value of y. Now here I have eliminated y. If you want, by subtracting, you can eliminate x also. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to eliminate y always. Clear? Now moving to the next. If the equation is this type, then what to do? Suppose number 6. If the equation is this type, and okay, first I am writing this, then what to do? First I will take the LCM. Clear? Then 3x plus 2y equals to 1, or cross multiply. I have got my equation number 1. This is known form. Now another one is given in this form, x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 1. Same method, take the LCM. Then cross multiply. This is my equation number 2. So I have got 1 and I have got 2. Now see. Here, see, both are positive sign. So by adding, y will not be eliminated. Now in this sum, I am eliminating x first. So what I will do? I will make the coefficient of x in both the equations same. So here, if I multiply by 2, it is becoming 6. And this one, if I multiply by 3, it is becoming 6. Now first this one, 6x plus 4y equals to 12, and it is after multiplication coming 6x plus 9y equals to 18. Now by adding x or y, any one will not be eliminated. So in this case we have to subtract. You know the rule of subtraction. Here subtracting, sign will be changed. Sign will be changed. Now this eliminated. 4y minus 9y means minus 5y. And this side minus 6. Minus minus will be cancelled out. So my value of y is coming 6 by 5. Now this value I will put in any one of the equations. Putting y equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1. What is my equation 1? I have rubbed that on. Okay, I am seeing. Equation 1 is coming 6x plus 2y equals to 6. 6x plus 2y equals to 6. Now from here I will calculate the value of x. Or 6x equals to 6 minus 12 by 5. LCM 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12, 18 by 5. Therefore, x is coming 18 by 5 into 6. 3 by 5. Therefore, value of x 3 by 5 and y 6 by 5. I am checking once this is the answer or not. Number 6. Y 6 by 5 and now x also 6 by 5. So my equation was 2x plus 3y equals to 6. I have rubbed that one. It is, that's why I am facing problem. Okay, I am putting over here. I am putting okay. Y is 6 by 5, it is okay. Then I have rubbed the equation, that's why I am facing problem. First equation is coming 3x plus 2y equals to 6. So my y is 6 by 5. 3x plus 2 into 6 by 5 equals to 6, or 3x equals to 6 minus 12 by 5. That means 30 minus 12 by 5. So 30 minus 12 by 5 means 18 by 5. Yes, now it is coming. Therefore x equals to 18 by 5 into 3. 6 by 5. So my solutions are x equals to 6 by 5 and y is also 6 by 5. Clear? Now next sum you will get in next video.